Another tractor in this morning, ready for PDI and delivery before Christmas. This tractor here was one special order tractor, not our standard colours. Customer required a change in colour. As you can see, what a fantastic looking machine it is, especially in this colour. Let me give you a quick walk around of the tractor so that you can see exactly what our tractors are all about. So as you can see here, we have a large 75 horsepower 4-cylinder Qantas engine. Lovely, rugged, very powerful, great pulling machine. Dry air cleaner here with a battery isolator down here for the times when you're leaving the tractor for long periods of time and you want to make sure that when you get back in it you can go straight to work by turning the key. As you will see, very neat, very tidy, well packaged machine with twin fuel filter down there and a nice big 100-litre diesel tank, swivel mudguards, allowing great coverage of the wheels at all times, and a nice set of front weights, 25 kilos per slice. Moving around the back of the tractor, this tractor here is on 420/85/28 rear tyres with 90 kilos of rear wheel weights. Moving around to the back of the tractor, all of our tractors are road legal. We have an auxiliary oil tank here, 2 flow variation double acting spools, adjustable category 2 rear linkage with hook ends on there. All of our tractors come with LED lights, and this tractor was specifically ordered with 2 flashing beacons. Air conditioning is standard on all of the Lone Barn LB Pro range. Wow, what a colour that is. Really is a bright machine, that. Moving into the cab, we have a lovely spacious cab in here. Loads of room, loads of comfort with a Gramma seat. This is your toolkit that comes with the vehicle. In there is your instruction books, a parts book, and a few little fuses and bits and pieces just to keep you going should you need them. Storage behind the seat there for your books. Handbrake, PTO lever, speeds of 1,000 and 540. You have your forward reverse shuttle, independent brakes done by the latch down here. We have selectable 4-wheel drive and diff lock, and we have a 4-speed 3-range gearbox giving you 12 speeds in forwards and 12 speeds in reverse. Up on the top there we have a USB radio. Underneath the hatch is a nice sunroof, and visibility is brilliant out through the top there. And then up here we have our air conditioning controls, our windscreen washer and wiper switch, and our flashing beacon switch. We have an extra fan over here on the pillar for any extremely hot summer days that we're liable to get in the future, to help move the air-conditioned air around in the cab. And then we have up here our television screen, and on our television screen we have our front camera, our rear camera, and our left and right cameras. These are all blind spot detection cameras and are all recordable, so you can be prepared and monitor anything moving forwards. There's the nice sunroof, glass sunroof there, and a pull down blind to keep the sun out of your eyes. And there we go. There's the dashboard. As I said, all of these tractors are CE approved and road legal. This one will be road registered for the customer, and we will deliver very, very soon after the full PDI has been carried out. All of our tractors are assembled here in the UK and are given with a 2-year warranty. So if you would like to get more information on these tractors, or you would like us to quote you for a very, very affordable tractor, then please just give us a call on the number below, and we will do what we can to help you move forward in your venture of purchasing a new tractor. Thanks very much and enjoy your day.